Yeah, hello fans. This is Jeromekeys music. So today I'll be teaching you guys something very special again. Something very special. We'll be doing lead line and bass line tutorial today. Lead line and bass line tutorial. So there is a lead line and bass line I played on my previous video. Some of you are saying I should do the breakdown. That's why I'm doing this video. And I'll be doing it on F sharp, but I will be calling out the notes so that for those of us that cannot play on F sharp, that can play on F and other keys, you can be able to apply it on your own key. Okay, so just watch and learn. Make sure you like, comment and share. Just like, comment and share. Okay, God bless you. And we'll be doing lead line and bass line breakdown today. So just watch and learn. So we'll be learning this lead line and bass line breakdown today. So the first thing I was playing on the lead line. So do mi so ti so fa so. Do mi so ti so fa so. Do mi so ti so fa so. If you apply this on EF, it will also sound the same way. Okay? Do mi so ti. So what I'm playing on bass too is just very simple. Do so do so so re so so do so so re so so do. Okay. Then do ta la so ti so fa so do ta la so ti so fa. Do ta la so ti so fa so. Okay. Just like this one is very simple. So there's another one I did also. So this one is mi fa re re fa re mi la do mi la do mi. La mi la la re so so, then so so re so so, la mi la la so so re so so, la mi la la guys, la mi la la so so re so so, la mi la la so so re so so, la mi. That is also what I'm playing. Then when the music gets faster, you can just so this is just the lead and the bass line I was playing. Then if you want me to do the other one I was playing and the remaining solo I did in the last video I posted, just comment at the comment section and make sure you like the video and also share. If you want me to continue with this tutorial, I've been doing all these on YouTube, but I said I should do it on Facebook also. So if you want me to continue, like, comment and share. God bless you all.